Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you my wash day and the steps that I take in order to achieve a nice 2-strand twist. So if you guys are wondering why I use the products that I use throughout the video, be sure to click the link above and you will see how to grow your 4C hair. In this video I explain why I use the products that I use. Okay, cool. So whenever I shampoo my hair, I really like to make sure it's getting in my scalp, because once your scalp is clean, the rest will follow. And that is my hair towel that I got from Walmart, $6 max. So not only am I admiring, loving my 4C hair in the mirror, but I also pull on my 4C hair after washing because it shrinks significantly and the roots can get really tight. And this is just me preparing my hair for conditioning. So this is just me pulling, stretching it so that the comb can just glide right through my hair at all times. So my hair dried up pretty fast while I was stretching it out and looking for other products. So I used a little bit of water and put the conditioner on top. People with 4C hair, thick 4C hair at that, natural hair period, be generous with conditioner. Your hair needs the moisture, especially if you're using sulfate shampoos. They strip your hair of moisture, so be sure to replenish whatever the shampoo removes. So I'm very generous with the conditioner. I work it in my ends, in my roots, and I make sure that my hair is dripping with conditioner in order to be hydrated. Do not forget to put conditioner on your ends. The further your hair grows from your scalp, it is dead. It just sits there. So adding conditioner helps keep it alive to a certain extent. Just make sure it's strong and healthy, because your hair is strongest at the root. So once you get past the root, it's like your hair is weaker and weaker. So putting conditioner in helps. So be generous with it. Don't be stingy. Use a lot of conditioner. I prefer to, once I'm done detangling a section, I prefer to put it in plaits. It's just easier to come back to it later, and I can be able to say, okay, this is the section that I'm done with. I've already done it, on to the next. So I let the conditioner sit for a day. Basically, I deep conditioned my hair and it was really soft once I was rinsing it out. And I prefer to leave the plaits in my hair. It may take a little longer for you to rinse out the conditioner, but it's so much easier when getting ready to 2-strand twist your hair, because your hair is already sectioned and you decide how small or big you want your twist to be once you take down the plaits. So yes, it takes a little more work, but in the end it's worth it once you're twisting it. And so I wring my hair out. I try to get my hair damp, not dry. Once I'm done rinsing it out and I put my towel on, I let it sit for 2-3 minutes. I found that my hair is stretched out more when I don't 2-strand twist my hair when it's dripping wet. Whenever it's dripping wet, it shrinks significantly. So I allow my hair to dry just a little bit until it's damp. And I pull all my plaits up and I just start from the back and I work my way up to the front to twist my hair. So if you have 4C hair and you're 2-strand twisting your hair, take your time. Take your time. Sit down if you need to. Play some music. Talk on the phone. Don't rush the process. Love it. So I prefer to do my 2-strand twist really small. I've noticed that the smaller you twist your hair, the more defined it will be once you take it down to have your twist out. The bigger it is, the more volume it has. I always prefer definition over volume because my hair is naturally thick. So yes, it takes a while, but the look is so much better. It lasts longer when they're smaller for me. And it's just something about small 2-strand twists that just get to me every time, and it's my go-to. Typically, when I'm 2-strand twisting my hair, I do not use a lot of product. The more product I use in the past, I found that my hair is heavy, it's not bouncy, it's not loose, so I use as little product as possible in order to strand twist my hair as little as possible, because I already provided that moisture back into my hair when I conditioned it, deep conditioned it that for about a day. So as you can see, I like to shake my hair to make sure it's bouncy, it's not stiff. And if I don't like the way it looks or feels, I will retwist it. And I did some of that in the video, even though you guys did not see that. Next, I proceed to take down all of my plaits. Once I'm about halfway done twisting my hair so that I can have my little swoop, my bang gang, you know what I'm saying? And my hair twisted down on the side. So I like to do that, get the bang ready, get the hair that would be on the side, twist it to the scalp, and whatever I feel like is too much to have as bangs or on the scalp, I just part it towards the back, and that will be with the rest of the hair that I already twisted. Because I don't like a lot of hair on my face, and I don't like a lot of hair on the side. So this is just me getting ready to do that and getting a little discouraged because I was probably twisting my hair for about an hour and a half or so. Twisting my hair, and it's drying at the moment, and it took me about 2-3 hours. It is let me see what's that, 2:16, exhausted. Just in case I don't do my outro, if you're new to my channel and you want to see more content about how to style your 4C natural hair, be sure to like, comment, turn on post notifications. And since I already know you guys like this video, I foresee you subscribing to my YouTube channel. Remember, be kind to one another, love one another, and forgive each other. Bye.